It is only with time do you start to understand who you really are. When you're young, you think you know who you are. When you're young, you think you know everything. But it's truly only with time and years of experience does the picture of who you really are start to become clear. I am a man of the land. I have learned that I feel more at home in nature than I do in a mall. I am the most alive when I have vast spaces to explore and enjoy. I have learned that when I'm on the land, I'm in my natural habitat. If you were to take this thought and compare it to the animal kingdom, it would be comparable to the life of a grizzly or a wolf. Their territory covers vast square miles of space. My territory extends from Kenora in Ontario all the way out to Alberta as far as Banff and Jasper. I have traveled these areas extensively. I do travel outside my territory on holidays or trips. I love experiencing new places. But these places I am a visitor in. They are not my territory. In my territory, I know where all the best places are. I know how to get to them. I know the best seasons to visit them. I know how they've changed from year to year. These are the places that I roam, explore, and take my pictures at. It is where the vast majority of my photographic work has been taken. I've always known that I was a man of the land, but as I said earlier, the true picture of who you are only comes with experience. People have invited me to go boating, canoeing, and kayaking, but all that goes through my mind when I'm out on the boat is, look at all these amazing places we're not stopping at. If I had a boat, I would use it to explore the land. The more you know who you are, the more you will be in your natural habitat. The more time you spend being who you are, the more at peace you will be. Well, that's it for this video. You'll find me out on the land. Have fun and keep shooting.